Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram password. So watch this video till the end. The Instagram app is currently one of the most popular social media apps. Every child, teenager and adult has an account on Instagram. However, now that Instagram has become such a vital part of our lives, even small issues can turn into major inconveniences. Hence, keeping up to date on your password is a crucial part of protecting your account security. Moreover, you should never share your Instagram password with anybody. If you notice any suspicious logins, you should instantly change your password. You can change your password using the mobile app or the official Instagram website. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password using the mobile app. First, open the Instagram app. Tap your account icon in the lower right corner to go to your profile page. Tap on the hamburger icon in the top right of the screen and select Settings. Now tap the Security option. On the security page, tap Password. Enter your current password and then type the new password you want to use. For confirmation, you will have to retype the new password. Once you're done, hit the check mark and hence your password has been saved. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.